Hello everybody, it's Monday, laundry day. That's the traditional laundry day anyway. And I'm using my antique 1935 Maytag Wringer Washer. Some of you already know this, but I restored this about 6 years ago to basically showroom condition. And it's so much fun to use, plus it does a fantastic job. Here, I'll open it up. There's the wringer where you squeeze the clothes through to get the water out of them, because this, for those who are unfamiliar, has no spin function. It just washes and then you squeeze the water out through the rollers. So there she goes. Look at her fantastic washing action. Aren't I crazy? I just love this. Anyway, better get to it. I've got like 5 loads to do.